I'm gonna go ahead and mute you out, darling, because it is a little bit loud. I lost you there. What I want everyone to understand when you look at this example, right, of time, and when we talk about the health benefit, we talk about utilizing Mother Nature to work with Father Time. And when we're young, we repair very quickly, right? As we age, it lessens the time of our body's ability to repair. But I want everyone to think of that in terms of earning money. When we're young, from the age of 20 to 65, right? That's that gauge of that seesaw. That is our highest capacity to earn income. After the age of 65, our ability to earn lessens. And if you don't get to that gain point with enough in your account, you are going to struggle, and it's going to be more and more difficult the older you get to accumulate wealth. So to me, this is just as important to look at in terms of time, our ability to create wealth and freedom. And that's what Katrina's talking about, and that's what I am so passionate about for everyone, but also for teaching the young generation, that our ability and capacity to earn through multiple sources of income, and then focusing on reproductive residual income